Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can optimize images in your WordPress website for fast speed and performance. So let me log in into my WordPress website, and now let me click on login button. Then now let me scroll down, and in the plugin sections here I need to install a free plugin from the WordPress plugin library. So here you can use any of the plugin free of cost. Now here I can type converter for media. Scroll down, then here you can see plugin has 5 lakh plus active installations with 5-star ratings. Click on install button, and now activate this plugin. Now scroll down, and here you can see this one. Just you can click on the settings. You can use free version. You can also upgrade paid version if you have a large business website. So just click on settings, then scroll down. So here you can see supported output formats. You can use WebP in free version, and AVIF is available in pro version. Then scroll down, so you can check these directories. Then again scroll down. Here you can resize large images. You can add a custom width. Then click on save changes. Then go to advanced settings. And here you can see if you have GIF format images, you can also check this one. And you can select the conversion method. So keep it as it is. And here you can see you can select image loading mode. So you can select default. Then scroll down. So you can select this one. Then click on save changes. And now scroll down. And here you can start bulk optimization. So you can enable this option to force all the images again. Then start optimization and skip it. So guys, here you can see total 600 plus images. It can take some time. So guys, here you can see image optimization is complete and images are converted to the WebP format.